Hey guys, what's going on? Hector here from My Credit Sharks. As you know, Black Friday has passed, but we are extending our deal to Cyber Monday, which is going to be starting today and ending tomorrow. Okay, and I'm going to catch a flight back. I'm here with my son, celebrating the holidays. We are extending this deal to Monday for Cyber Mondays. We have gone over the limit, but we're happy to open the doors up for a couple more people. Okay, people are excited. They see our testimonials. They know exactly what they're gonna get when they deal with My Credit Sharks and myself. So once again, Cyber Mondays, sign up. The package, the gold package you're gonna get normally is $497 to sign up, $497 to sign up, but because we're doing this special, it's only going to be $129, just your monthly payment. Okay, so $129 out the gate, and we'll get you signed up. We'll get you that gold package. So wait for you on the other side. Go ahead and sign up. Click the link, subscribe. You'll get a payment confirmation, and once we'll see that, then we'll reach out to you for your onboarding call. Thank you.